pet hair hell and stuck robot? Dreame Matrix10 Ultra ends both forever.
Have you ever walked in the door after a long day, kids and dog exploding through the house, only to find your robot vacuum stranded on a threshold, wheels spinning helplessly, wrapped in pet hair, while the floors look worse than when you left? I've been there, right before guests showed up. Sound painfully familiar?
That sinking feeling when you realize you're spending more time rescuing and untangling the robot than it ever spends actually cleaning. The constant whiff of sour mop pads, the dust clouds when you empty it, the dread every time it rains and the dog tracks in mud. You start dreaming of a home that just stays clean without you babysitting a machine. Then I discovered the Dreame Matrix10 Ultra, and everything changed. This isn't another smart robot that still needs you. It's the first one that truly works like it's supposed to. 30,000 Pascal suction rips embedded pet hair out of carpets like nothing else. The 100% detangling DuoBrush means zero hair wrap. Ever. It climbs 3.14-inch thresholds and avoids over 240 objects with scary accuracy, so it never gets stuck. The game changer is the Multi-Mop Switching Dock. It automatically swaps to fresh mop pads mid-clean, uses separate solutions for different floors, and washes plus hot air dries them at 212 degrees Fahrenheit so they never stink. Picture this. You walk in after a chaotic, rainy day, floors covered in muddy paw prints and crumbs. You say, "Hey Google, clean the house." Head to the shower and come back to spotless, dry floors. No rescues, no smells, no effort. That's the superpower the Matrix10 Ultra gives you. Months later, it still performs like day one. The brush stays clean, the mops stay fresh, the dock handles everything, emptying, refilling, washing for up to 90 days. This is the part other robots fail at. They work great for 2 weeks, then slowly turn into expensive paperweights. The Matrix10 Ultra just keeps going. A smart home reviewer I know, who's tested over 40 flagship robots, told me he's never seen zero hair wrap in heavy pet home until this one. After 6 weeks with 2 huskies and long-haired kids, his brush was still completely clean. My friend Claire, mom of 3 and a golden retriever, said she used to spend 20 minutes every weekend cutting hair out of her old robot. Now, she can't remember the last time she touched the brush. She runs it daily and her floors have never been this consistently clean. Yes, it's a premium investment, but when you calculate the hours you get back every week and the cheap robots you won't keep replacing, it pays for itself fast. This is built to stay flawless, not just impress you out of the box. If you're finally ready to stop settling for half-working robots and step into a home that stays clean without you fighting for it, the Dreame Matrix10 Ultra is that answer. Thousands of pet owners, busy parents, and professionals who value their time have already made the switch and say they'll never go back. This is your investment in peace of mind and hours of your life returned every week. Click the link in the description right now to see it in action and claim yours. Trust me, you'll wish you did this sooner. Stay till the end for the limited launch offer.